Let's bring in Dan Harris right now to talk about Toby and this great new treatment. You found a way to treat older dogs as they get older. They have the same ailments we do, arthritis, things like that. But this new treatment is really working for them.
It's really incredible. You know, this is a laser treatment that's been used on humans when they have athletic injuries for years. Now, as you're about to see, they're using it on animals, and the results are incredible.
This is Leo, an 11-year-old German Shepherd from New Jersey who's been having severe hip pain. So bad that his family, the Peñas, called their veterinarian and said it's time to let him go. But their vet, Dr. Ohad Marnia, said hold on. He wanted to try out a new technology called cold laser therapy.
It is drug-free, and the effect is almost immediate.
And the best part, unlike with medicine, there are no side effects. In Leo's case, it worked, reducing his pain and saving his life.
Basically, it sends heat, and it helps to fight two things, pain and inflammation.
Cold laser therapy is being used all over America and on all sorts of animals, like Slipper, a litter-trained bunny who lives with Claire Toth.
Easy to take care of, and I just love him.
At age 11, Slipper's knees started acting up. One cold laser treatment, though, and he was hopping again. And this is Shadow, a 13-year-old Brittany Spaniel.
He follows me around. Shadow being his name is a perfect name for him because he shadows me all the time.
When he was in too much pain to follow his owner, Jim Spafford, around, a little cold therapy got him back in shape.
He sleeps better as a result of the therapy, and he's also much more mobile.
So how do you know if your pet is in pain? Well, there are obvious signs like limping or crying or panting, but there are also more subtle signs too, like when the animal drops its old habits, like following you around or going to the mailbox with you.
They don't have to be yelling and vocalizing, because sometimes people will think if they're not crying, they're not hurting.
It pays to be vigilant, though, because there's now this new treatment that can improve quality of life and save lives.
I would just be devastated if Shadow wasn't with me. Huge part of our family, and it's worth it. I would do anything for him, and it's well worth it.
All right, so the big question is, how much does it cost? It varies, but it usually starts at around $75, and for a dog like this, it's totally worth it.
Toby is so great. We should tell you, Toby is a 12-year-old terrier mix.
Yes.
He does get laser treatments for his hips and knees. He's also up for adoption.
Yes.
Humane Society of New York. Harper, I'm sorry, we already have two. I know you love Toby, but we already have two.